So I've received a box of smashed drinks. I want to say 100% alcohol free, but it's 0% alcohol free. But does that not mean the same thing? So I've been sent this gift of a selection of alcohol free beers and ciders, and I'm really looking forward to tasting. Here's the product background list. Here's a few of them, and I'll get into the box and show you what's inside the box. So here's just a few. We've got the pale ale, lager beer. So they actually start off with alcohol and scale back and remove the alcohol until it's 0%. So this is really exciting. Let's have a look at the can. Here's some of the cans. Oops. Another pale ale. That's a cider, smashed berry. That's a citrus beer. Oh wow, an awesome selection of drinks in here. I'll take them all out. And here we have my beer tower. Alcohol free from smashed drinks. Fantastic. So I'm about to taste my smashed lager from Drinks Unlimited. I was able to open that with one finger. I'm impressed. Let's taste it. Goes in smoothly. Make sure you look at the ingredients. It smells like beer. It smells like beer. Let's see if it tastes like beer. Oh wow, it actually does. It actually tastes like beer. I'm really impressed. Oh my goodness. And I'm obviously not just saying that. Oh wow. It has all of the you would not tell, you wouldn't know. It has no alcohol. I'm really impressed. Thank you, Drinks Unlimited. I keep saying the brand's name to make sure you all know this is a great alternative. This is really good. Really, really good. Thank you.